The readings are consistent here. All right, I'm marking it.
Okay.
Let's check the next section up. The structure looks unstable. Be careful near the arch. Check for stress fractures here. What's inside this thing? Be careful. Keep it moving.
Watch your step.
Over here, more rocks. All right, bring that big crane around to the front. Copy that. Moving into position. Let's get these excavators offloaded quickly. All right, team, focus on the structural integrity around the torso. Check the blueprints again. We need to secure the northern facade first. Got it. Let's move out. Notice the significant structural damage here. Yes, the cracking is severe, need to prioritize stabilization.
Yep.
And the density of this growth. The structure is failing at the core. We need to stabilize that beam before we go inside. Watch the debris. All right, heave. Give it everything you've got. Push, it's moving. Clear the way. Watch the load.
Proceed with unhitching the crane.
Excavator 4, clear the trailer now.
Copy that, moving into position.
All right, team, focus on the structural points I'm highlighting on the primate figure. We need to secure the northern entrance first.
Got it. Understood.
Keep it even there.
The sky's getting darker.
We have to finish this section soon.
All right, slowly does it. Just a little to the left. Looking good.
Perfect.
Perfect, it's in. Look at it, we actually did it.
It's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah. Years of work, all worth it. All right, hold it steady. Ease it to the left.
Jeff.
Just a little more. Watch the top. Perfect. Set it down. Click.
Keep them aligned. Ready the adhesive. Watch the spacing. Nearly done here. The restoration progresses beautifully. The clean stone is a stark contrast to the moss. Almost done on the right side.
Clear this section first. Watch out, coming through with the barrow. All right, next pile goes here.
This place gives me the creeps. Look at the size of that cage. Keep the light moving. We need to check the lower levels.
Wheelbarrow coming through. Get this pile cleared next. Watch the fog. Keep moving.
Watch your back, coming through. All right, bring it over here. We need another barrow on this side. Make sure that edge lines up perfectly.
Got it. This pattern is looking amazing.
Almost done with this section, pass me the grout. Push it left slightly. Okay, I'm holding steady. Is that flush now?
Okay, easy now. Keep it steady.
Yep, it's almost seated. Lock in the secondary supports.
Got it. Absolutely stunning.
All right, easy now. Watch the marble. Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Looks good. Let's set it down gently.
Got the bulb in?
Yeah, try it now. They should come on one by one.
We should start on this archway next. The carvings are very intricate here. Agreed. The marble...
Hold it steady. Bring it down slowly.
Pushing the base now.
Aligning perfectly. Keep going.
Easy, E, hold it there. Okay, power connector, ready? Wow.
Okay, easy now.
A little to the left.
Looks good right there.